Hi guys, welcome to Sampath Tech, and today we got our hands on the Oneplus Bullets 2. Yes, the Oneplus Bullets 2 has been released, which are at a lower cost and also packed with new features, and it's pretty good. And the reason why I choose the Oneplus Bullets 2 rather than the Z series will be shown at the end of the video. So now let's see the build quality of the Oneplus Bullets 2. So guys, inside the box we got the Oneplus Bullets 2 and also some extra earplugs with the very good looking case and some instruction manual and the warranty card and also a Type-C charging cable, which was pretty good. Now let's see the Bullets 2 wireless. The OnePlus Bullets 2 comes with a plastic design and it's pretty flexible. I've been putting it in my pocket for the past few days and no damage has happened to it. And also one of the reasons why I chose the OnePlus Bullets was the reason that it has the Type-C charging, which was durable and fast. And also the OnePlus Bullets 2 comes with the Qualcomm aptX drivers, which provide us with a HD sound. That's the reason why I took it. The OnePlus Bullets comes with some of the unique features, like we can charge it for the 10 minutes and get 10 hours of playback, which was pretty awesome. And also we got the magnetic control. We can turn on or turn off our earphones using the magnetic control. We can just put the earphones together and we could just turn on or turn off our earphones. And also we got the superior sound due to the aptX HD drivers by the Qualcomm, which were pretty great. The OnePlus case was pretty rugged guys, and also the OnePlus logo at the front and also designed by OnePlus logo at the back make it look even better. The finish was good, and also the OnePlus case has a magnetic opener at the top which make it look even better, and I may say it was one of the best OnePlus accessory provided to the users according to the earphones wise. So guys, now let's test the OnePlus Bullets 2 noise reduction. So now I'm talking with my mic from my phone. So now I'm talking with the OnePlus Bullets 2 and you can see the noise reduction. I think the Qualcomm drivers are doing their job.
Let's go!